Hi everyone, welcome to Backlog Story channel. Today I'll be talking about Terraform Destory command, and today's session will be very short, and it's all talk about only Terraform command. Let's get started. Okay, in the previous session we have covered how to create EC2 instance and all. And this session will be I'll be showing how to destroy the resources and how to destroy a particular resource. Okay. So just one more thing before starting the talking about Terraform destroy command, I would like to say something. Like whatever previously we created files, uh, only TF files, okay, .tf files. Just to take a backup. In later sessions, I will show you how to create a proper folder structure or framework. When I'm talking about Terraform framework, I'll be explaining how to make it organized and structure, folder structure and segregate these Terraform files. For time being, I usually create one, backup file, Terraform backup TF files. Okay. I created one directory. Okay. I'll go to my. Okay. I'll move all my start.f2 backlog from backup. Okay. The state file is there. Okay. Let's check it out. Any state file, any resource. Don't say, don't say, don't say, don't say. Okay. There are nothing resources here in the TF state file. I'll be covering this, state file, TF state file, Terraform state file in the next session. This TF state file and how to manage TF state file. I'll cover this one. Let's start. I'll get a new TF file. Okay. We will give my EC2 instance dot. Okay. Let's go to AWS Terraform. From AWS instance. Okay. You need to search AWS instance. Let's copy this. Let's copy this one. Okay. I want to change to my EC2 name. Okay. EMI, this one. I'll got, right? In the previous session, I talked about this, how to get the free tier EMI from your AWS account. And also I have made a video on how to create a free AWS account. It will be I'll placed in that link in the description. Please get out how to create a AWS free account. Let it be tax now. Right now we are not worried about tax. Let's create one more resource called AWS VPC. Okay, let me create one more. I'll call as AWS my VPC. My VPC. .tf. Okay, I think I have already opened here. VPC is there. Copy this code block, paste it here. Okay, so basically I'm trying to create two resources here, EC2 and VPC virtual cloud network. Let's run Terraform commands. Okay, provide a block also. I think I moved it. It will not work. I think in the previous session I talked about what is Terraform provider. What it is. Please go through my previous videos. Let me copy back that. run Terraform. So I'm just formatting. Let's check if there are any errors. It's fine. Let's check plan blueprint. No configuration file found. Go here. It was in the wrong folder. Sorry, guys. So when you run Terraform plan, it will give the blueprint of the your resource, like what exactly, which resource, what is the configuration, what you are trying to create in the infrastructure. In this our case, AWS is our infrastructure. I'm trying to create AWS instance, and also I'm trying to create VPC. Okay. Okay, let's apply Terraform apply command to. Suppose if we give this flag -auto -approve, then it will not ask for confirmation yes or no. Okay, I think you guys might have experienced whenever you run Terraform apply command, it will ask for confirmation. Once you type yes, then it will go ahead and create a resource in the production or infrastructure. I hope you guys are following. If you while following this tutorial, this course, if you're finding any difficulties, any doubts, any clarification, please free to post your comments on this video. Okay, I'll if in case anyone looking for any assistance, let me know. Please comment your issues and challenges. I'll be I can schedule a Zoom call and I can happy to assist you guys. Okay, 2 resources are added. Let's check it out whether 2 resources created or not. From EC2. Looks like it's very slow. Okay, no, it is not working. So EC2 is running. Okay. Okay, let's go back and check. Okay, and there are 2 types of 2 methods to destroy the resource. One is global method and another is local method. Okay, global method is like just you need to type Terraform and destroy. So when you perform this command Terraform destroy, it will destroy both the resources. Okay, not only both the resources. If in case you have created 10 resources, all 10 resources get deleted. Okay, in this case, but suppose if you want to delete a specific resource, for example, you want to delete okay, let's say destroy. You want to delete specific resource, like you need to type this flag target target and you need to go. I'll let you know. So this is the resource you created, right? Suppose if you want to delete this resource, EC2 instance resource, this is a resource type and this is the name, local name given to this resource. Okay, that's why it is called as a local method. So you need to copy both. Actually, you need to access AWS instance dot this one, because that resource ID will be AWS instance resource type dot resource name. Here in the resource type is AWS instance and resource name is my EC2 box. Okay, so when you pass this flag, it will delete only EC2 instance. Okay. So 2 resource got added. Now it should say only 1 resource deleted. Okay. Before that, I wanted to guys show you. If you see here, EC2 is here, and if you see state file, VPC also here. Okay, both the resources are present. See, if I don't give auto approve, it will ask for yes or no confirmation. Just now, sometime back before when we performing apply command, we passed the flag auto approve, so it didn't ask for yes or no confirmation. I hope you guys are following. So basically, though it's a free account, AWS is a free account created. Free account has some certain limitations. Once it is exceeded, they will start, charging your account, and the bill will get generated. So it's better to take a precautionary and make sure that whenever you follow my course and whenever you create a resources, make sure that you destroy the resources, all the resources. So here in this case, I'm talking about a particular use case, like whenever you create a 10 resource and you don't want to you want to delete only 1 or 2 resources. In that case, instead of destroying all the resources and creating again 8 resources, you can destroy only those 2 resources. So that's the reason it is helpful. So if you see here, destroy complete and resource 1 destroyed. Okay. Let me go back and see Terraform state file. So only VPC is left. The EC2 instance is deleted, destroyed. Okay. Suppose you want to destroy VPC. Okay, you need to resource type dot resource name. Resource type is AWS underscore VPC, and resource name is main. Okay. Terraform destroy hyphen target AWS VPC dot main. Then it will delete only VPC resource. I have made a video on how to create a free AWS account, and also I have made a video for how to install Terraform in Windows and Linux. Okay. I'll be placing those links in description, and those are mandatory. Terraform should be installed, and AWS account should be created to follow my course. Okay, 1 resource destroyed. Let's try global method now. Next. Okay, so let's try Terraform apply, because I want to create again, and auto. Okay. Meantime, okay, it's about creating EC2 instance. And meantime, let me talk about upcoming sessions. Next sessions will be about I'll be making videos on Terraform state file, how to maintain and manage Terraform state files, and also after that I'll be making videos on Terraform variables and Terraform commands. Okay. 2 resource again it created. Suppose if you don't send any flag, sorry, second. Okay, sorry. It was hung actually. My laptop was hung. So instead of destroy, I hit apply. Okay. So if you don't pass the specific resource, it will get deleted both the resources. In my case, only two resources added, so it will destroy both the resources, two resources. In case if you have 50 resources you created, and if you don't want, if you didn't mention explicitly what resource you want to delete, it will delete all the resources. That's why you should be very careful while dealing with Terraform destroy command. By mistakenly, if you delete, then it will be difficult. Okay. Yeah, of course you can, if the already the configuration files is there, you can deploy again, but it is unnecessary. It's a war headache for, again you have to create everything. If you look at here, so both the resources will be destroyed. So red mark hyphen red, it is, that means it is going to destroy these resources. Green plus icon means its resources are getting created. And also it will, if you don't pass that auto approve flag, it will ask for, do you want to really want to destroy or apply? It depends on the command. It will ask for confirmation. So destroy complete, resource 2 destroyed. Okay. So if you don't pass any argument, it will destroy all the resources. That's all today's session. I hope you guys enjoyed today's session. Thank you so much for watching. If in case if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. I'll bring a lot of knowledge and a lot of experience and practical videos on Terraform and AWS. Once this course is completed, I'm planning to continue with advanced course, as well as I'm planning to bring videos on Terraform with Azure and GCP also. That's there in queue. So currently, I want to finish get it finished with the AWS infrastructure. Uh, Please encourage and to motivate me, give me thumbs up and share to this tutorial. Somebody is, if in case, looking for Terraform course. Again, thanks again. Thanks so much for watching.